It's time to get fit with exercise, and sports science junior Dakari from Atoka, Oklahoma. For fields like engineering and health science, doing is just as important as learning. Luckily, Dakari knew what she wanted from a university and found an engaging, hands-on program at TU that brings her major to life. Your turn, Dakari.
Thanks, Alex. When I first started my college search, I knew I wanted to attend a small university with a close-knit environment that was both fun and academically driven. Luckily for me, the University of Tulsa checks off all of those boxes. I came to TU with the intent of getting the most out of my college experience. I wanted to engage with my peers and take advantage of the networking opportunities Tulsa has to offer. Tulsa introduces you to many alumni that have been in your exact shoes and have thrived in your major. I'm a super hands-on learner, and TU has many things that help bring learning to life. The labs are reflections of real-life scenarios that help translate to success in the workplace. As an exercise sports science major, in the human anatomy lab, we worked with models of the human body, dissected a cat, and labeled all of the body parts. In the human anatomy kinesiology lab, we went in person to the Collins Fitness Center on campus to perform exercises as a class. We then discussed how every individual muscle and bone works together to complete that exercise. I'm also pretty involved on campus because I believe that participating outside of the classroom is another way to further my knowledge, education, and experiences. I'm a part of the Association of Black Collegians Club, a cheerleader on the Spirit Squad, and an administrative assistant for the men's soccer team. You experience hands-on learning here that opens so many doors for your future. I never thought I would gain the knowledge I've gained thus far at the University of Tulsa. I can happily say I'm so glad I chose TU. Back over to you, Alex.
Thanks, Dakari. I'm so glad to hear the University of Tulsa encourages students to look beyond the traditional classroom setting and put what they learn into practice as they prepare for rewarding careers. This kind of approach is sure to make Dakari a fantastic athletic trainer someday. Thanks again.